My name is Haashim and I study computer science at the University of Huddersfield. I picked the University of Huddersfield because when I visited on an open day I saw that it had all the facilities available for me to use during my studies. I got the impression that I would have everything I need on campus. The real benefit that I got from staying at home and coming to Huddersfield is the ability to get a better education without the cost I would incur if I had moved out. So I chose to do computer science because coming off of my A-levels, the one thing I really enjoyed was working in mathematical fields, being able to solve problems, be creative and fix things, and combining that with being at the forefront of modern technology was something that really appealed to me. One of the things that the university did was enroll all second year students into a module called the placement module, which gave us a lecture a week about how to be employable, how to improve our cover letters and CVs, how to apply for placement jobs. We were able to learn all the things that we needed. That support was there, that sort of mentorship was there, and I think majority of the people that I knew were able to secure that placement. With the help of the placement team, I was able to secure a 13-month placement at Honda Motor Europe. I think the best part of being at Honda was being able to use real vehicles and not have to be in a typical sort of internship where you're just sat at a desk. I got real practical experience. I think one of the most valuable things I gained was learning soft skills as well as the technical skills. Before my placement, I wasn't really familiar how to coordinate and communicate within the professional world, despite the technical skills I'd gained through university. So by spending 13 months at Honda, I was able to get an understanding of how the professional world actually works. I see myself in the future doing work within the business analyst route. During my placement, I worked with a lot of different business analysts and I got good exposure into how they work, what they do, working with technologies at the forefront of the world and helping businesses use that technology.